This video is going to be about a very small thing that Google has introduced in their spreadsheets, but it was so important that I thought to quickly make a video about it so that you also get to know about that thing. And that thing is AI in Google Sheets. Ever since ChatGPT was introduced, I was using custom API solutions, Google App Scripts and whatnot to integrate ChatGPT in some way in my Google Sheets. But with this update, Google has made it so simple that we can just create a formula using just two words called A and I and do all the things I have been doing using a very big route. And that's what makes it very powerful. So let's come to the AI function in Google Sheets. This is extremely powerful. First of all, this is right now a part of Gemini for Google Workspace Alpha. So it's a very nascent stage. It's not complete, but still, in my testing, whatever things I used to do with custom solutions integrating ChatGPT inside Google Sheets in some way, this is able to do the same things natively without any manual interventions. So let's understand what this is. This is simply a formula which is equal to AI, which means that you can do whatever AI things you want to do in your spreadsheet by just putting this particular formula, having a prompt and having an optional range for your calculations. For example, you can have AI and this prompt write a thank you email and personalize it to the special gift that was received, and the data can be in these two columns. And the way this will work is Gemini will take up all the data in these two columns and figure out what kind of thank you email would suit to every single individual use case in those cells. To do the same thing, you would have required to purchase different paid add-ons or do multiple hours of complex coding and API implementation to just get this done. And right now, Google is enabling us to do all of that with just one click. And the good thing about this is that's it. That's the whole complete thing. Now let's jump to the demo. But before that, I'm going to put a link in the description that will enable you to get enrolled in this Workplace Alpha program. It will look something like this. This would be the page that you would see when you click on the link in the description, and you simply have to acknowledge all of this and click submit, and you will be immediately added to the Workplace Alpha program of Gemini. Now, once you have been added, you can just put and use this formula of AI as I just told you. Here is a Google Sheet that I have prepared for you. It's a dummy sheet and it's the example of a Shopify order page. Like imagine these are the order IDs, these are the customers, and these are the details of all the orders. Now, let's see, we have some notes right here. Imagine these are like multiple thousands of orders in your sheet. Now you have to figure out what's the general sentiment of people towards your product. Otherwise, I'll have to copy all of that and go to ChatGPT and do some sentiment analysis and come back to the sheet and make sure that I'm pasting at the right location a lot of variables. Instead of that, see what we can do right now. We can go to this cell or to any cell by that matter, and we can just put equal to AI, that's the formula, and we can analyze the sentiment of this statement. And I'll close the inverted commas, I'll put a comma, and then I'll choose this particular cell, right? And I close this, and when I press return, you will see that it will turn into this blue shaded cell. Now, if you click on that, this thing will appear, and you have to click on generate and insert. As soon as I click this, see what happens. So Gemini has processed this whole thing using the LLM and told us that this sentiment is positive. Now, the best part is using the simple drag and drop function of Excel, which all of us use, we can extrapolate this to all other cells like this, and I can refresh and insert everything, and it will automatically analyze all of these respective statements and give us the sentiment as a whole. How amazing is that? So you can do all these AI stuff, which was earlier insanely complex to do, not insanely, but you had to do all those add-ons and purchase stuff and do all those API configurations. But today you can just put equal to AI and that's it. And let's say one more use case. Let's say I want to extract the zip codes from all of these shipping addresses, So let's say I would put a formula AI and extract the zip code from this text. Close this, I put a comma and I select this text. And let's see what Gemini does. And to activate and process it, I'll have to click on it and click on generate and insert. So I click it. And there we go. We have 91234 as the zip code extraction that AI just did for us. And again, I'll just extrapolate this to all these cells, hit on refresh and insert, and within few seconds, it would have extracted all of these zip codes for us from this address. Isn't this amazing? Okay, let's do one more thing. Let's extract the first names of all of these customers, right? So I'll do it here. So let's say AI, extract the first name from this text, and I will give the text as this one. Close and press return, and then activate this AI cell, and that's it. So it has extracted the first name Alice. And similarly, I can just extrapolate this to all of the cells, hit refresh and insert, and within few seconds, we will have all the first names extracted from our customer list. And you can do the same thing with a lot of data like emails, phone numbers, if the data is jumbled, with just like one formula. This is superb. Now I have prepared some more things for you just to demo like what can this simple formula in your Excel sheet can do. So I have prepared, let's say we have these cities and we want to have best 5 things to do to put it on a blog post or on an email or in a presentation. It can be anything. But the point is that we can do it so easily is what makes this integration that amazing. So, and before that, let me pause you to just thank the sponsor for this video, because I've been making all of these AI videos for you. I thought it would be cool to give you some deals on the top AI softwares and apps that you will use in your business or lives. I'm giving you everything that I have in some of the top AI apps like Retail, Vapi, Hagen, Make.com, and a lot more. You will have free credits, free trials, pro accounts to start with, which you won't get otherwise, but only if you go through the links that are in the description for you. I'll keep adding a lot more apps as I get those offers, and I'll keep passing all of them to you. You can check out the links in the description and claim all those offers right now. Now let's get back to the video. Again, we go to equal AI and I'll ask it put 5 bullet points of the best things to do in this city. Close it, comma, and choose the city like that. And let's see what Google comes up with. And there we go. So these are the 5 best things you can do in Tokyo. Now, if I just stretch it over, I'll refresh, and immediately it will tell us the top 5 things to do in all of these different cities of the world. How cool is that? Okay, and the next one is a crazy thing that I have prepared for you. Like I have prepared 2 items which are completely random, and now I'll ask AI to give me 2 differences between these 2. It's just for fun, just a demo, but it will tell you what exactly you can do with this feature. So let's go to AI and provide 2 bullet point differences between these 2 things which are not obvious. And I close it and I this and press this. Close it and let's see what it comes up with. Nice. So iPhone 16 has a new processor than the iPhone 13. True. The iPhone 16 likely has improved camera features compared to iPhone 13. Very easy, but now you get the idea that you can also compare 2 columns using the prompt and giving that prompt inside this formula. So let's now do this for all of these. Refresh and insert. And helium is lighter than air, nitrogen is heavier than air. Yes, helium is non-reactive, nitrogen is relatively inert, but can react under certain conditions. Absolutely right. Dogs tend to be more independent than cats. Cats are more meticulous groomers than dogs. I don't know how true is this, maybe you can tell me, but this is fun. Like doing this was extremely tedious previously, but now I can just press equal to AI and do whatever AI stuff I can with the prompts and with the power of Google Sheets. Now, the next demo I have prepared for you is translation. Imagine you can have translations of anything at scale using just spreadsheets. So here I've prepared an English text and then I want to translate all of these into different languages, and let's see how using just one simple formula we can achieve that. So we'll go to this, press AI, translate this text to Hindi, and I press comma, select this, and let's see what it comes up with. And yes, it's correct. And now let's do it for all the other three. Let's do all of this, select all of these and click on generate and insert. And yes, so we have the translations in Hindi, French, German and Russian. Now I can just extrapolate this to all of these texts and simply refresh and insert, and within few seconds you will have the text translated to all of these languages in one go. How amazing is that? The applications can be endless depending upon what you want to do and how you want to achieve. You can do analysis, you can do custom prompts, you can even do points, summaries, maybe use it for SEO, maybe use it for YouTube title generations. Applications can be endless. It can go as far as your imagination can go.